One thing you have to know when dealing with functions and slopes is how to write the slope-intercept form. Okay, so if you're given an equation, it won't always be in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to show you guys how to put that in slope-intercept form. Okay, so we have four equations here. All right, I'm going to start off with this first one on the top left. And of course, you can pause this video and rewind it as you're doing it. Hopefully, you can try to do it by yourself before I do it. All right. Here, we will always want to get y by itself. We want to have y equals and then the rest of the equation, right? So let's do that. In order to do that, we have to move this 8x. Now, it's a positive 8x, so we do minus 8x. And since we subtract it on this side, we also have to subtract it on this side. Okay. Now, we don't subtract it from 24. We just put it as minus 8x, okay? So this would cancel out, and we would have negative y equals, and we want to put the x in front. Let's put the x in front of that 24. Negative 8x plus 24. All right, always put your x in front. Now, we still have a negative on this y. We only want y, not negative y. So we have to divide by negative 1 on every term there. Now, when we divide by negative 1 here, it changes to a positive. This changes to a positive 8x. And this changes to a negative 24. And this is now our slope-intercept form. Remember, this is the intercept, 24. Negative 24 is the intercept. And 8 is the slope. All right, let's try this one. We have 13 plus 5y equals 4x. Once again, let's move this 13. Now, we do not take it from the x. We just put minus 13 next to it. Okay. This will cancel out. We will have 5y equals 4x minus 13. Okay. We don't put that 13 in front because we already got the 4x in front of it. We just want the x in front, right? We want the constant on the end. Now, let's get rid of this 5. So we divide by 5, divide by 5, and divide by 5. Make sure you're dividing by 5 on both terms here, not just the 4x. Divide it on both terms. So now it would be y equals 4 over 5x minus 13 over 5. Notice I didn't have to change the signs because this was a positive 5. If it was negative, I would have to change all of these signs. Okay, let's do that. This one now. Minus 14x, minus 14x. This is canceled. Then you will have 2y equals, make sure you put the x in front, negative 14x plus 8, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Now, if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause and rewind this video. This will be y equals negative 7x, because it's a negative 14 divided by positive 2, plus 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. All right, and the last one. This will be plus 4x this time. Why am I doing plus 4x this time? Because this is a negative, so we have to do the opposite, which is plus, and that would make it cancel out. And we'll be left with negative 6y plus our positive 4x first, minus 18. Then divide by negative 6 on all your terms. And you will have y equals negative 4 over 6x plus this time, because negative divided by negative is plus, and that makes 3. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. All right, and we can simplify this fraction too. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3 will be your answer.